So we jumped in the car and took a road trip to the southern Utah desert, miles away from civilization, so we can put these things to the test and show you what they can do. How much lumber we can cut on one single charge. So it's really as simple as taking some wood screws where we can start ripping wood and do some run tests. This workbench was a really good chance for me to test out the DeWalt FlexVolt battery because I swapped it between the miter saw to the drill driver and to the circular saw, and it worked flawlessly and completely as advertised. And there it goes. It finally died, guys. 448 cut. So what are we going to do with all this wood? There's only one thing that I can think of, and that's to light it up. Wow. Cool, guys, don't look at explosions.